In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use lookup function in Microsoft Excel. First, open the Excel workbook where you want to use the lookup function. This is the file where your data is stored and where you want Excel to return a matching result. Once your workbook is open, make sure you can clearly see the worksheet you'll be working in. Next, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B6. This means you have one column that contains the values you want to search for and another column that contains the related result you want Excel to return. Keeping your data organized like this is important because the lookup function works best when your lookup values and return values are arranged in a clean, consistent range. Now create the lookup section so you have a place to test the formula. In cell D1, type product. In cell D2, type laptop. Then in cell E2, type price. This small section acts like a simple search area where you'll enter the product name and ask Excel to return the matching price. After that, click on cell E2 and enter the lookup formula. Type an equal sign, then lookup followed by an opening parenthesis. After that, enter D2, then a comma, then A2, A6, another comma, and B2, B6, and finally, close the parenthesis. The formula should read as lookup open parenthesis D2, A2, A6, B2, B6, close parenthesis. This formula tells Excel to look at the value in D2, search for it within the range A2 through A6, and then return the corresponding value from B2 through B6. In this case, since D2 contains laptop, Excel will search for laptop in the first range and pull back the matching price from the second range. If you want to look up a different product, simply replace the value in D2. You can also use a larger lookup range by changing A2, A6, and B2, B6 to match the full size of your data sets. Just make sure both ranges stay aligned so Excel returns the correct result. Once the formula is entered, press enter. Excel will calculate the result and display it in cell E2. You should now see the returned value, which in this example is 1200. That means Excel successfully found the product and brought back its matching price. And that's it. That's how to use the lookup function in Microsoft Excel.